Okay, so in lesson 3, word processing using Microsoft Word, we will be now moving on to 3.3, activity 3.3, where we'll be creating a letterhead. Okay, so before we do start the activity, I just want you all to know what a letterhead is. I have two samples over here. A letterhead is a document like this. Okay, ignore this purple color area. A document like this used by companies for official purposes. When companies want to send official letters, they will normally use their letterhead. So what does their letterhead contain? The letterhead will normally contain the company name, the company logo, and at the bottom it will have its company contact details, its address, its telephone numbers, its website, its email. Okay, certain companies will want the contact details to be at the top, certain companies will want it to be at the bottom, but generally, but always, this middle area will be blank so that letter content can be placed in between here. Okay, so I repeat, letterhead is an official document of a company, okay, where they will be using it to send official letters. So normally we have the company logo and name at the top and the contact details at the bottom. So if you look at the second image, you can look over here. They're sending a letter to a particular person. Okay, the managing director has signed over here. So if you look, this particular letter is inside the letterhead. Look at the top, we have the company name and logo. This particular company has preferred to have its contact details at the top. So as I told you at the beginning, it depends. Certain companies, their design will be that the contact details remain on the top. Certain companies would prefer it to be at the bottom. So when you are told to design a letterhead, it's up to you to decide where you're going to keep the company contact details. Okay, so now in our classroom, an activity has been given to us where the letterhead has been given already, and we are expected to create this letterhead using Microsoft Word. So let me get started by opening Microsoft Word. Open Word over here and take a blank document. So once again, the best option to go is with text boxes. Okay, using text boxes, you can put the text wherever you want. So I'm just going to make this to the right hand side, Windows right, and keep this onto the left. Make sure I'm having a A4 paper, size A4. Okay, so let me get started with this sentence, Coleman. So I'm going to come to insert, text box, draw text box. So somewhere over here, I believe it's going to be somewhere over here. I want to type the text Coleman. I'm going to center align it, not let it be in the left itself. And I'm going to make it bigger, Control Shift greater than. Make it. Okay, that's better, I think. And let me see if I can quickly find a font that would somewhat be similar to it. Let's see how Times New Roman is. Yeah, looks fine with Times New Roman. So then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be getting rid of this text box. I'm going to be saying shape format, shape outline, no outline. And then what I'm going to be doing is I center align this text, home, center align it, that looks better. Then I'm going to put another text box just below it, draw text box, I'm going to draw text box just below it, and it's going to say estate agents. Okay, so Control A, select all of it, and center align that as well, and then just increase it a little bit. Let's make this also Times New Roman. It's smaller. Okay, and shape format, shape outline, no outline. Okay, so I have that over there. Let's take this a little bit upper. Okay, that looks better. Just a teeny bit down. Okay, so then this is supposed to be in a kind of greenish blue, which is something like that. Okay, then over here I have some text giving the company's address. Okay, and it's all right aligned, as you can see. Everything is coming to the right and stopping. So this particular text is right aligned, so I'm going to go with the text box over there. Insert text box, draw text box. Going to go with something on this side. Make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to say home right align the text. Control R can be used. Over there it goes as, let me zoom in a bit. I can just see the second sentence. The first sentence goes as, okay, so it goes as, otherwise, Berlin S PVT Ltd, and then I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to be typing Coleman Estate Agents. Oh, by the way, if you notice the gap between the lines is very small, very minimal. So what I'm going to be doing is, if I press enter, you see the gap is too much. So what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to press shift and enter together. Okay, now you see there is a very small gap between both the lines. Again, shift enter, and then we're typing ABN 3122 60141. Shift enter, 374 Main Road. Shift enter, Will NSW 2263. Okay, so I'm going to keep this text also as it is, and just going to make it one bit bigger. And the word Coleman Estate Agent is going to become the same color like this, and the others are going to be gray in color. So let's make this full screen, and let's make this gray. Okay, so if you want to get rid of these spelling mistakes, you can simply come and say add to dictionary, okay. And we can make all this bold as well. Looks better. And get rid of this by coming to shape format, shape outline, no outline, and okay. And then at the bottom we will be drawing another text box. Draw text box from here to here, and we got to fill it with kind of greenish blue. Shape fill. If you need more colors, if you can find the exact color, that'd be great, but otherwise it's going to take a lot of time to find the I think it's not exact color, but shape fill. Shape format, shape fill. It's becoming a bit difficult. Something like that. That seems better. And the shape outline, I'm going to get rid of the shape outline, no outline, and I'm going to start typing over there done different, and as you can see it's gray in color, so make it a bit bigger, smaller, and then as you can see over here the letters do have spaces in them, so I'm going to just keep it like that, one space, space, keep two spaces here, and then space for each of them. Let's make this bold as well. The way to separate this word is one more space, and ignore once. Okay, then also there is one more thing, which is the telephone numbers, the website, emails. So let's open another text box, insert text box, draw text box, draw it from here to here. Okay, and let's come and say shape outline. There is no outline, and the text is dark gray in color. So let's start. It's capital P, and then brackets 00 close brackets 4397 7888. And I'm going to keep about 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. And on the keyboard you will find the line key. It's near the enter key most probably. Okay, so you can draw that line, and then you can keep 1, 2, 3 spaces, F space open brackets 00 close brackets 4397 7887 1, 2, 3. Draw the line 1, 2, 3 E. And then we're going to be typing, it's difficult to see the email address, it's way too small, so you can just put your whole name and just say @coleman.lk, and then 1, 2, 3, keep a space, draw a line, 1, 2, 3, website www.colemanestateagents.com. And don't forget, let's center align this text as well. Oops, that moved way too far. Center align it, and letters like P, we make it bold. Letters like this, we make it bold. Make it bold. Make it bold. Okay. So this is how our letterhead looks. Doesn't look 100% similar, but somewhat close, I would say. Once you're okay with it, once you have done all this, make sure you save your document. Make sure you save it in a location that you can find easily. You can give it your name and dash letterhead, and then do click on save, and then do not forget to go back into the classroom. Okay, so you click back, let's zoom out to 100%, view assignment, and then add or create file. Select file from your device, come over to letterhead, open it, upload, and once it completes uploading, okay, once it completes uploading, this button will turn to turn in. Do not forget to click the turn in button. Okay, here you are, just click on turn in, and then you would have submitted your activity.